Very pleasant evening to one and all present here. I am Nitish Kumar of 12th standard. It gives me immense pleasure to present the annual report enumerating our school's milestone achievements for the year 2015 to 2016 and 2016 to 2017. So, I kindly request you to sit back and get a glimpse of our 2 years achievements.
I am Rajashri of 12th standard. I am very glad to convey the co-curricular and cultural achievements of our school students for the academic year 2015 to 2016 and 2016 to 2017 with my classmate Nitish Kumar.
So, let's ready to watch.
Welcome party. The new students of the 11th standard were given a warm welcome with a grand party and a wonderful speech by our honorable correspondent.
NEET program. For the benefit of our higher secondary students and to enable them to face competitive exams, NEET coaching classes were commenced through the renowned Reach Academy. On the 1st of July 2017, our old student doing first year medicine at the PSG Institute of Medical Science had motivated our students with her thought-provoking speech.
Yoga Day celebration. The importance of yoga was conveyed to our children through demonstrations like pyramid and lotus patterns with yoga asanas by our yoga students on Yoga Day in our school.
Karma Veerar Kamaraja's birthday. Karma Veerar Kamaraja's birthday was celebrated with songs sung in his praise by our school music troupe and with speeches bringing his glory were given by our elocution students.
APJ Abdul Kalam's death anniversary. Our former president Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's death anniversary was observed by telecasting his recorded speeches and honored him with candles and flowers brought by our students.
Fruits Day, Red Color Day and Sweet Day were happily celebrated by our junior school students from KG to 5th standard.
Independence Day. Our 70th Independence Day was celebrated with the hoisting of our national flag and a cultural program performed by our students. Our managing trustee, Mrs. Lalitamani Rajasekhar, had presided over the function.
Spoken Day. To encourage our students to converse in English, a special day, Spoken English Day, was conducted and many parents were present to see children performing skit, conversation, advertisements, etc.
Krishna Jayanti celebration. Lord Krishna visited our school in the form of our little students dressed as cute Krishnas and Radhas to enrich our school on Krishna Jayanti.
Inter or intra-school cultural competitions. In order to enrich and enhance our school students' overall development, various competitions like storytelling, essay writing, recitation, fancy dress competitions were held during the academic years.
Teachers' Day celebration. Keeping in mind that teachers play an important role in the students' life, Teachers' Day was celebrated with various programs and games for the teachers.
Inter-school quiz competition. To inculcate the competitive spirit in our students, inter-school quiz competition was held in our school and 8 schools had participated with St. Teresa High School, Olagadam won the first place, Government High School, Umaredu had secured the second place and Sri Saravana Niketan the third place.
Scout Camp. Our 8th and 9th standard students had participated in the Scout Camp organized by Mr. G. Kishore, held at MMG Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Punjai Puliyambatti.
Clean India. Clean India program was conducted by our Niranjipet Panchayat along with our school so as to spread awareness about cleanliness among our children.
Laurels in Abacus. We are proud to announce that many of our students who participated in the national level Abacus competition brought back the overall championship cup and many laurels to our school.
Awareness of dengue. Dengue fever spreads nowadays throughout Tamil Nadu. So, our school management had provided Nilavembu Kashayam to the students and also to the teachers.
Good evening parents, my beloved teachers, valuable friends and my dear students. One of the most important things associated in the daily life is traditional celebrations. So by considering this, our school gives equal importance to all traditional celebrations.
It is the time to dedicate the traditional programs celebrated in our school by a grand manner.
By N.S. Kishore Balaji of 12th standard
And S. Koipri of 11th standard.
Traditional celebration, Puja celebration. India is a secular country and rich in its cultural heritage. Festivals brings joy and prosperity in our lives, and so in order to imbibe in our children the value of our culture and religion, we at Saravana celebrate all festivals of our country.
Diwali celebration. For Diwali, our students came to school in colorful dresses and witnessed the gala fireworks displayed by our teachers. Sweets were later distributed by the correspondent and managing trustee to all present.
Christmas celebration. For Christmas, we had Santa Claus and his troop in our school singing Christmas carols and distributing chocolates to our students.
Pongal celebration. Pongal is the harvest festival celebrated in Tamil Nadu, and our students reviewed the tradition by participating in events like Gummi, Uriyadithal, to name a few.
Children's Day celebration. Children's Day celebrated well. Teachers had given gifts to the students. Management provided chocolates to them. Many culturals conducted in a grand manner.
Field trip. Our school plus one art students were visited to Lakshmi Vilas Bank at Nerinjipete under the guidance of Mrs. Sumati, Mrs. Abstra, Mr. Sendilnathan and Mr. Prakash. There they had trained such as writing accounts, check, DD, challan, passbook entries, etc. under the able guidance of LBB manager Mr. Bharidasan.
We are very pleased to announce the extracurricular achievements.
Yoga. Our Yoga students under the able guidance of their masters Mr. Kamalakandan and Mr. Kumaresan participated in the state level Yoga meet and won 3 gold, 3 silver and 2 bronze medals.
Silambam. The traditional Silambam martial art has been introduced in the school and is headed by Mr. Perumal and Mr. Saravanan.
Music. We are proud to announce that Sri Saravana has its own troupe of musicians under the training of Mr. Ajay.
Karate. Mr. Manivarma from Meerut visits our school to train our students for karate.
Abacus. Abacus classes are going on for 1st standard to 8th standard students and are trained by Mrs. Abstra and Mrs. Isabella.
Spoken English and handwriting. The Bright Star Institution imparts training to our children to improve their writing and English speaking skills.
Good evening to dear parents. I am Jeffrey of 11th standard.
I am Kavi of 11th standard. I am very proud to announce the historical achievements of Saravana in all the academics.
Academic achievements. SSLC result 2015-16. For the academic year 2015-16, in the SSLC board examination, B. Rajadasni secured the school highest with a grand total of 496 out of 500.
Followed by SK Nitish Kumar with 495 out of 500 in the second place.
R. Ajay and M. Shantakumar with 491 out of 500 in the third place.
Our students had also secured 14 sentences in social science, 7 sentences in science and 5 sentences in mathematics.
SSLC achievements in 2016 to 2017. For the academic year 2016 and 17, in the SSLC board examination, A.R. Viveka had secured the school highest with a grand total of 493 out of 500.
Followed by K. Kavya with 492 out of 500 in the second place.
T. Mayuri and A. Sagita with 491 out of 500 in the third place.
Our students had also secured 13 sentences in mathematics, 5 sentences in science, and 5 sentences in social science.
Academic achievements in higher secondary 2015 to 16. For the academic year 2015 and 16, in the higher secondary board examination, A. Shalini had secured the school highest with a grand total of 1165 out of 1200 with centum in chemistry.
Followed by P. Tamilpriya with 1161 out of 1200, who is now pursuing medicine at PSG Medical College and Hospitals, Coimbatore.
S. Nisha secured the third place with 1159 out of 1200 and a centum in chemistry.
Our students had also secured 2 sentences in chemistry and 1 centum in mathematics, which was secured by A. Naveen Kumar.
Higher secondary achievements in 2016 and 17. For the academic year 2016 and 17, in the higher secondary board examination, P.S. Makadish had secured the school highest with a grand total of 1158 out of 1200 with centum in biology, who is now pursuing veterinary in Government College at Namakkal.
Followed by T. Deepika with 1143 out of 1200 and a centum in mathematics.
S. Giriraja secured the third place with 1142 out of 1200.
Our students had also secured 3 sentences in commerce. They were L. Malati, J. Pavitra and B. Tamilvel.
Great evening to one and all present here. I have come here to say that sports play a vital role in students' life. Besides our school giving importance to extracurricular and cultural programs, our school plays a milestone in sports also, in accordance with the proverb of a sound mind in the sound body.
I am Javion, your friend standard. With the same happiness, I too join with my friend Dina to deliver the sports achievements done by our students in our school.
Here the sports achievements of 2015 to 16 and 16 to 17 by Dina Dayalan of 12th standard.
Sports achievements in 2016-17 zonal matches. During the academic year 2016-17, our students participated in the athlete meet held in Andur Government High Secondary School, and S. Pravina of Standard 11 won the second place in long jump, and P.K. Janani of Standard 10 won the second place in 200 meters.
Handball. We are proud to announce that we have champions in our handball team, bringing our school laurels in all categories at both the zonal, district and divisional level.
Volleyball. Our boys secured the runners in the under 17 and 19 category at the zonal level volleyball matches.
Carom. In Carom, PJ Sridhar and Arun Kumar had won the under 14 and 19 singles category. Sports achievements during 2017 and 18 academic year. Handball. Our school handball girls under 17 had won the match. Under 14 and 19 girls were runner of the match at Adas High Secondary School and the youth.
Volleyball. Under 17 boys had won the match marvelously at Government High Secondary School, Sembrichampalayam. Athletics. In athletics, Subita had got first place in 400 meters running. Monisha got third place in 200 meters running.
Handball. Our handball students had participated in the selection held by the School Games Federation of India, and S. Saumitra of 8th standard was selected in the district level and also for the second time at the state level selection held at Kanjipuram SDAT Stadium under the guidance of Mrs. Sylvie.
The national level archery competition. Monishwaran of 10th standard had participated in the national level archery competition at Jharkhand and won the gold medal, and Roshni of 6th standard also had won the gold medal in the national level archery competition under 14th category.
Audio.